It's Christmas Eve, between 11 and 12. Let's the fun begin. We got some water on the floor. We got some steam. And looks like we have an expansion tank spraying water out the top. Go ahead and try to shut this down. Okay, let's turn the power off for one. So the isolation valve for the outlet is pretty stiff. I'm going to try to get that ball valve to turn. Halfway there. These liners and these coats are warm. Make it hard to get in and out of. This hood's going to come out favorably for me. Here we go. Knows when the last time this was exercised. So if the valves are working, it should eventually slow down and stop. I am wet. I'm going to pop the T&P valve, get the pressure to go down a lot quicker. We do have floor drains, so don't worry about the floor. still blowing out the top. And here. So there's another valve up, way up there, in case these aren't holding. So that's where it's spraying out the top, evidently due to corrosion. And then over here is the main valve for the domestic cold water coming down, and then I may need to turn that off too. I don't see any signs of it slowing down yet. The water is over 160 degrees. I'm trying to get the water to run toward the drains down here. All right, I'm gonna get a tall ladder. All right, I've been gone for a little bit, and it doesn't seem like the water pressure is going down at all. So I gotta go for that larger valve. So much for it not being an emergency. I could have just isolated it. It'd be good until any normal weekday. Alright, so the valve is just to the left of that light. And this doesn't want to sit nice here. Alright, this valve don't work, I'm gonna turn all the water off from the facility.
Both water heaters.
I don't know which valves aren't working. Probably it could be all of them. Could be just one, I don't know. Turning valves until we get it. as isolated as I can get it. Come on. Nope. Not sure how that's possible. Alright. I guess turn off the water to the building. Get the plumbers over here. None of the valves in the boiler room would stop the water. I had to go to the main, I went to the domestic main shut off and turn the water off there, and then open up some valves in the lower level to get things to drain. Well, here's the mechanical room with our main water supply. We got fire over here, water protection. And here's the domestic water meter. So I came in here and I shut off this valve here. And then I was able to stop the water from leaking. Hallelujah, pressure is 0. In the boiler room. Yeah, there was at least 2 of them. Nice fountain.
You have one?
I get one real quick.
Just so you can put the date.
The leaky expansion tank got replaced, so we just did everything in reverse. We opened up all the valves that were shut in the building, let the system fill, turned the power back on to the water heaters, and waited from the heat up, and that was it. We made it out in time for Christmas Eve. Pretty much done by 3:30, and everything was set to go for Thursday morning at this outpatient surgery center. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.